Find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Let your face soften. Let your attention settle gently onto the rhythm of your breath. Feel the air as it enters your body, fresh, clear, cleansing. And feel it as it leaves, soft, warm, releasing. With each inhale, you gather presence. With each exhale, you let go of what no longer serves you. Now, place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Feel the rise and fall with each breath. This is your anchor. This is your bridge. With each breath, notice how your body feels. The rise and fall of your chest, the subtle movement in your belly, the gentle sound of air flowing in and out. Begin to feel how your breath connects you to this moment. Imagine your breath as a soft golden thread. With every inhale, this golden thread gently weaves through your body, linking your toes, your legs, your spine, your heart, your mind. With every exhale, feel the thread pulling everything into alignment. Feel your body, mind, and heart slowly synchronizing. Now repeat silently in your heart. With each breath, I return to myself. Feel the stillness that lives between each breath, a quiet doorway to clarity, a gentle path that leads you home. Let your breath guide you deeper into presence. Let it be your anchor. Let it be your sanctuary. We will stay in this presence for a minute. When you're ready, begin to deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel your body again grounded and clear. Take one more deep breath and gently open your eyes.